very long time ago, a very long time ago, a box was sent from the mighty Amazon. The cats, sensing its great power, worshipped the box. Only the most pious of them could enter the Holy of Holies. None could open the inner box to see what lay inside. The cats built an altar to the box, worshipping it and keeping it safe. Eventually, the box was lost into the mists of time. One day, a grower of fine herbs, Polish Hammer, heard of the legendary box and ventured out, finding the box. It wasn't easy, but he got it back to the grower to find out what's inside. Let's open the box together and find out once and for all. Does the box contain the power that we need to grow? What will we find? Will it have enough penetration? Will it have face-melting quality? Will it have mind-blowing attention to detail? I guess the most important question is, will it blow me away? Let's find out.
Really well built box, probably the best box of any light I've ever gotten. I got links below too for Amazon and their website. This is a very affordable light, and already I can tell you it's a good value, and I got some help here to open it. Move it, kitty.
Meow, 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 meow.
So, right off the bat, this thing is extremely sturdy. Seems to be very well built, especially for the price point. It's all enclosed, the drivers are inside, everything is complete, there's nothing missing. We got really nice heat sinks and coated diodes. I don't know if this thing's waterproof exactly, but it does have a coating on all the diodes. You can see it has all these different UV, IR, and far red diodes. I have no idea what these diodes are. I could not figure it out. They're a mystery. If you know, leave it in the comments. Let us know. You got these, this nice panel here with all these tactile buttons and switches. And on the other side is the power and the controller connections for the RG12 connectors. Box came with a bunch of good stuff. Cord, connector, adapter, very complicated looking hanger thingy, and instructions in the RG12 cord in case you do have a controller for this thing. Now, this has a built-in timer and dimmer and spectrum controller, so you probably don't need a controller if you just have one light. You got a bunch of complicated instructions for the hanger, 2 pages, very scary. Spectrum, you can pause and look at this stuff if you want to. Left some of the stuff in the mystery diode specs and the spectrum. The power map is pretty close. I did do a quick power check, but I didn't get very good footage, so I didn't include it in the video, but it's pretty close. And like I said, this thing is actually pretty overbuilt for an affordable light. I'm super impressed so far. We'll see how it grows. Got these hangers here with these little push things to adjust them. It's actually kind of complicated. I'll demonstrate how to hang it with these things so you can see them done. I'll speed it up and edit it because it took forever, and I wouldn't do this unless you were going to leave them that way for some time and then adjust them late, all at once or never.
Little bag of bones been out all night. Can you hear 'em scratching at the screen door? Can you hear 'em scratching at the screen door? Little bag of bones been out all night.
Makes way more sense in the tent to use these adjustable rope hangers, and it took like a third of the time to totally replace them. Hang these. And come on, get out of the tent, crazy cat. Thank you. So we got this strange plug for the UK and an adapter. Pretty sturdy cord, a little short, but that's okay. I don't really like the proprietary plug. The other end, it's okay unless it breaks. Pops right in pretty easy and plugs into a cord.
Need some petting and loving on his head.
Plug only goes in one way, so don't mess up.
Rain soaked high. He's circling around my ankle. He's circling around my ankle. He needs some petting and loving on his high. Hey kitty, won't you come inside?
Well, so far so good. The display has some pretty neat info. We're gonna leave you with some footage of that, and we're gonna see how this thing grows and get back to you with it. Samphon seems like a pretty decent little budget light. All right, cheers everybody.
Bullshit, we're out.
Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. A kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. A kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. A kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. A kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I want to touch it. Meow, 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 meow. Pussy purring and looking so satisfied. A pussy purring and looking so satisfied. I'm lost in his little yellow round eye. Lost in his little yellow round eye. Pussy purring and looking so satisfied. A kitty rap and scratch me through my jeans. Kitty rap and scratch me through my jeans. Fuck you, kitty, yo, gonna spend the night. Fuck you, kitty, yo, gonna spend the night. Fuck you, kitty, yo, gonna spend the night outside. Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. A kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. A kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. A kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. A kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. A kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. A kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. A kitty, I'm a foot and I want to touch it. Touch it. I wanna touch it. I wanna touch it. I wanna touch it. Wanna touch it. Wanna touch it. I wanna touch it. Kitty, 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 touch it. Kitty, 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 touch it. Kitty, 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 touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I want to touch it.
Hey,